There's been some updates on this that just rolled out last week, and I wanted to share them with you. First, what is the runtime fee and why did Unity roll it out? Unity is something a lot of game developers, especially independent game developers, use to make video games. They last year around this time announced that they were going to start charging for every installation of Unity. When you release a game, they would charge you when other people installed it to play your game. That obviously made a bunch of game developers pretty upset. Game developers want their games to scale, they want to grow. So penalizing them for having more users was especially hard for independent game designers. This caused an enormous rift in the community. People got very angry. And a week ago, something changed. The president and CEO of Unity on September 14th of this year just announced they're getting rid of the runtime fee. Now, they are increasing subscription prices for enterprise and pro customers, but people using Unity Personal, which allows you to have revenue of up to $200,000, is free. So great news if you're a game developer using Unity. And check out hacker.io if you're looking for game development tutorials or want to connect with a community of people passionate about technology. Thanks for watching.